Hey, welcome back to Algebra 2 Easy. Let's talk about derivatives and specifically the power rule. So we learned in a previous video that we can take the derivative by finding the limit as h approaches 0, but the power rule is so much faster. So when you're asked to find the derivative, you're being asked to differentiate. So for example, if you're asked to differentiate x to the nth power, where n is any real number, the first thing you're going to do is take that exponent in and bring it down in front of your variable. So we take the exponent and bring it down front. Now, the second thing we're going to do is reduce the exponent by 1. So whatever that original value of the exponent was, we reduce it by 1. So for instance, if it was a 3, it becomes a 2. If it was a 7, it becomes a 6. So decrease the original exponent by 1. Now that we have a better idea, let's practice. Suppose we know that f of x is equal to x to the third power. When you're asked to find the derivative, f prime of x, we will bring the exponent 3 in front, and the exponent reduces by 1 and becomes a 2. Take a look at this next problem, the square root of x. Now, because this is the power rule, you need to rewrite this as a power. So x to the 1/2 power. Following the rule, you bring the 1/2 down and then decrease 1/2 by 1. So it becomes negative 1/2. Because you have a negative exponent, you now need to move that variable to the denominator. So I have 2x to the 1/2 power. Your last step is to rewrite it with a radical. So 1/2 times the square root of x. Those are my final answers for these two problems, and hopefully this helps you, and be sure to follow us for more.